Guru Nation, welcome back to another video. I got asked the question. By the way, everybody, please, it's been working. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you don't know what to comment, just put a robot emoji. It helps shatter the algorithm. So today's question was sent by text from somebody. Anybody can do this, but it's amazing. Anybody can text me 949-415-6256. That's my actual number. It comes to me. Here's the text I got. I have applied to different roles over the last 2 weeks and have received great feedback from recruiters so far. Very good. Congratulations. I have passed the initial interviews with the recruiters for the following positions: contract to hire in house CRA, contract CRC, and clinical project associate 2. I wanted to know which of these positions would help my resume the most in the future when applying for CRA roles. My guess is the in-house CRA based on what I've learned. So, thank you for this question. I think you're right, but not by much. So, I think in order for you wanting to be a CRA, in order would be in-house CRA, only because you're already most likely going to be at a CRO, and they typically tend to promote in-house CRAs to be CRAs for those that want to be CRAs. Very close number 2 is that study coordinator position. I really think CRCs make great CRAs. CRCs are actually more generalists than any position. I think many entry level, they're the most generalist position of any entry level ish type of position in research. And CRCs are usually not entry level positions, anyways, but oftentimes they can be. So I would go in house CRA, then contract CRC, then clinical project associate. But if I were you, I mean, I don't know anything about your background, how much experience you have. You're lucky to have all these interviews. Do all 3 of them, and whichever one offers you the job, take it. Even if it's the clinical project associate, because that, yes, you're going to be obviously closer to project management in that situation, I think. But you can easily also transition to a CRA role from that if you're at the right CRO. And they are all, let me repeat this, they are all in need of CRAs. They are understaffed like you would not believe at the CRA level. So any 3 of these are great. I would go in-house CRA, then CRC, then project associate 2. If your goal is to be a CRA immediately, if your goal is to have, I don't know, maybe a little more excitement, I would go CRC. CRC, they deal with patients, they deal with monitors. Oftentimes, you can get hired as a CRA by just talking to your monitors as a coordinator and say, hey, how did you become a CRA? I want to be a CRA as well. So that's my advice. In-house CRA, contract CRA, project associate. I would look up these positions on LinkedIn, all of them. Try to find people at those companies or similar companies and talk to them on LinkedIn and say, hey, what do you do in your role? Do you think it would be helpful for a career in CRA? They're probably going to tell you similar to what I've said, but they might have a little more color than I would. So thank you so much for your question. Good luck. Let me know how this went. Let me know which job you took. Would love to do an interview with you once you decided which role you're going to go for. But congratulations and good luck.